my goodness, this is so fun. Look at, we actually have footage of me and Brooksy playing and interacting. We are so excited to tell you even more about our Pixsee smart baby monitor. The main thing I love is all the smart detection features, which just makes motherhood even less stressful, because when I'm not in here, I know that all the levels in my baby's nursery is perfectly healthy and safe. Like the temperature regulation, the sound alerts, it's amazing. And I love the smart detection features that allow your monitor to detect faces and like specific expressions. Even when I'm not in here, like for instance, I have two babies, I have twins, so when they're talking to each other, we get to capture their cute little interactions, and it's just extra special way to just monument everything about like this just fun stage. So it just makes parenting so easy, because there's just so many things you just don't have to think about that this amazing baby monitor does for you.